Welcome to the SKS cleaning experience. Just kidding, bitch! We're gonna clean this motherfucker! Oh yeah!
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!
Yeah.
Howdy, folks. Welcome back to BangMung. It is me, Mung, of course. Still recovering from whatever the fuck happened last time. I still can't really process what the fuck happened then. But either way, we got our SKS here. It's still dirty. We gotta go ahead and clean that little son of a gun here. Ooh, see what I did there? Because it's a gun, and I called it a son of a gun. Oh my, I'm quite silly. Okay, let's get this little fucker nice and tidy. I know, very original video idea here. Totally not something we've been repeating all the time, but who cares? You're still watching it. Subscribe while you're at it. Okay, we got Earl, we got Rag, we got... That's not the right one. Stop it. We got the old green blob, boar snark. You can't have a BangMung video without a boar snake. There you go. Let's go ahead and slide open the FBI kit, which is still just as disorganized as it was the last time. But who cares? We all know where everything is. That's all that matters. Okay, let's see. What do we got here? What do we got? I'm a little bit disorganized here because I'm a little bit slumberous. Ooh, that's a good fit. A little bit of slumberous is better than being fully awake, I guess. Things. Let's get this boy ready to roll. Let's get the little squirtage. What the fuck was that? Did I just hear oh. I don't know why I'm doing it like this. Probably because I fucking can. Yep. Get that long camera I can get in! We had to take a brief pause. Our father decided to stop in and drop off the new ammo he has attained. So, keep on scrubbing here with the small shaft first. I said shaft. As in penis. What the fuck was that? Let me hear gluckling. Okay, so that should do good for the bed boy. Dude, you have it just in your mouth? What the fuck? Okay. Got the long boy. Don't make that noise ever again. Squirrel! Dude, what the fuck are you doing back there? I'm so glad you lovely people who tune in for maybe 5 minutes of each video cannot see what he's doing. It's frightening for whatever reason. Earl, your squirtage is lowering. Earl's almost dead. Did you just...
What?
Pass gas? What the fuck, bro? I don't even know if I can focus on this anymore.
Clean a gun.
What? What? Sir! You're making a mockery out of my mockery of a channel. Uh-oh. At least I gave you a little window of heads up. I steamed. We're gonna go round two. Round two. Electric poopaloo. I'm gonna fucking smear this boy. Make this a clean beam. Let that saturate and press. do the light, then you do the heavy. Dude, what the fuck? No! You know, I don't even want to look at you anymore. I don't even want to look at you. I don't want to think of you. You just did something so fucking profound. This is not the first time you've done this. During filming process time. Remember the last time when you fucking drove us to the other side of the steel targets? You're sick. You're sick. That's what I've heard. They're silent for the most part. Yours are worse. What the fuck are you looking at me like that for? This motherfucker's over here looking at me like a fucking...
Really?
What do you mean?
Go home.
I am home. This is my home. You're just gonna have like.
Clean that fucking gun.
Okay, now that the atrocities are. I dropped that, but now the atrocities are on a somewhat tolerable level. I'm gonna take this. We're gonna take this guy. We're gonna take this guy. We're gonna put him on here. We're gonna see if we can weasel its fat crack down within the barrel. I have next to no hopes that it'll fit, but we can try. Nope. Well, we did try. We didn't succeed, but we tried. That's why I have to keep using these fucking ones. These are already so saggy. What? What's... Why is this thing stringy? I don't want to listen to that. That is scary. Where the fuck that one piece go? There it is. It's hard to see with these shades. Probably because I'm indoors and it's dark down there.
Bang, butt sledge.
Fuck. Dude, how did you make that noise with your mouth? There's no professionalism anymore. You ruined it. What the fuck are you wide-eyed over here? I hope to God that the camera is not showing these fucking faces in my shades. The audience does not need to see such horrific things that happen behind the camera. Okay. Okay, we got our gray wool on a stick now. Had to shear 2 sheep to do that. New crafting recipe for Minecraft. Gunsmithing update. We're gonna try and progress with your regularly scheduled stupidity. Barrel part of the way clean. Almost filly. So let's go ahead and send the one dude down. The final polish. I'm gonna do it this way. That's going into the mag well, not the chamber. Go in the chamber. Good. It emerged. I have to hold this thing so awkwardly just to get it to go down. Yeah, I said awkward.
Pull.
Yeah.
Yank.
Tug.
Tug.
Innuendo.
Hey, BangMung.
Okay, it's the barrel.
Hey, Boom Mooch.
What the fuck? Okay, well, between the times we film, I'm being fucking subjected to the most retarded things you could ever think to hear. Let's just go ahead and, nothing's wrong and boil the gun.
Boil the gun?
Oil, you fucking illiterate rube. You can't English?
Hey, BangMung. Is this what you call boiling the gun?
I'm gonna fucking boil you if you don't shut up.
Hey, BangMung.
Something's going on.
You ever use any of them guns to go out on safari?
Where the fuck's the safari gonna be in Ohio?
You ever you ever
Bring it up again and we'll vote on it. The fuck, man, that sounded horrible.
you ever go to Wyoming?
What the fuck's in Wyoming that would warrant me going there?
Bears.
Any viewers from Wyoming, comment, because I want to make sure that your state's actually real and that you're relevant. Do that for me. He relocated his plate of food. I was confused as to what he was doing originally. You know. Oil the mag action. Oil the action. What the fuck is on TV? I just oiled this side, but we're oiling it again.
Double oil maniac.
Oh! Everyone shit your pants in fear.
What?
What if I told you I was John Travolta wearing a wig? Would you believe it?
What if I told you I was Lee Harvey Oswald?
There's your gun over there that you used to kill Kennedy. The Carcano.
Kennedy! Oh. Wait a minute! Wait a minute, you marsupial!
Well, shit, it would appear as though in the midst of all of the stupidity that has happened around us, the entirety of this video, we have already got this boy well cleaned and oiled and ready to go for the next time. So, I hope you managed to follow along with what I was doing. Minus, the gaseous impasses and the most absurd conversations you'll ever hear in your life. So, yeah, go ahead and leave a like on the video, subscribe, and well, we're going to be doing a Q&A at some point, either this year or the beginning of next, whenever the fuck it happens. I don't know, you're just going to have to figure it out yourself. But yeah, go ahead and leave a question down there in that comment box, and maybe I'll answer it, maybe I won't. You're not going to find out, and I'm just, oh my god. Okay, well, let's go ahead and leave it at that. And I will see you whenever I upload next. Ta-ta.
You are so come here. Come here. So unprofessional. So I'm taking that mask off. Come here.
You are not.
Come here. I'm taking it off. I'm taking it off. Show your face.
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!